Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. Today's video is going to be all about how to make your basics look stylish. So basically I'm just going to be showing you guys how I style my basics. And basics are like, tank tops, plain t-shirts, cardigans, jeans. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I style them to make them look more stylish. Please press the subscribe button down below before we get on to the video, and also please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get on to the basics. So the first outfit I have some mom jeans, some ripped mom jeans, and then I have a green tank top bodysuit, and on top of that I paired it with a beige cardigan and some leopard print backless loafers. I think that this adds more style to the basics because this is just like a regular tank top bodysuit, but I think like the cheetah print and the cute distressed mom jeans really adds a little bit of mix to make it more stylish. And that spring is coming up, so I decided to put a cute kimono, a floor kimono, and I decided to put platform sandals, like little platform wedges, and this adds a really cute spin to the outfit. It's the same pieces, the only thing that I changed were the shoes and the kimono. Now this next outfit is a little bit more casual. So what I have black distressed skinny jeans with a black tank top and the black and white blazer. And then I also paired this with Steve Madden closed-toed, I don't know what they're called, like slide shoes, I guess, like close-toe slides. So slip-on shoes, there you go. So I really like this outfit. I think this is a nice casual outfit. It's still basics, but I think that the blazer adds some style to it, and I think that any blazer or any cardigan can add style to your basics. And basically here I have the same exact outfit. The only thing I did was change up the shoes. I swapped some boots in, and I think that the boots make it a little bit more dressy than the Steve Madden slip-on closed-toed shoes. And now here I have the same jeans, but now I put a plain yellow shirt, and I put that along with a jean jacket and some gray slip-on shoes, some slip-on loafers. And I think that this looks really cute if you're like in college or even high school and you have like no dress code. I think this is a really cute outfit. Just maybe wear like high-waisted jeans because you don't want your belly showing and stuff in high school. But I think this is really cute and casual, even if you're not in high school. Like, I just really like this outfit. It's basics, but it looks very stylish. So now I have just some blue jeans and a salmon type of colored t-shirt, and I also paired this with heels. Now I think that this is a really cute outfit if you're going to like dinner, like even like if you want to do like a semi-casual dressy look. I think that jeans and heels are so cute. I love jeans and heels. And I think that this is a really cute outfit. You have your basic t-shirt and some jeans, but I feel like the heels makes it a little bit more dressy. Even if you want to wear this on an everyday basis, it's really cute too. So I really like this. And if you're not a heel person, you can always wear flat shoes with it or sandals. So I just put my leopard print slip-on, backless slip-ons, just to show like a variation of how you could wear this. So here I have the same jeans, but I decided to wear a white t-shirt. And since I'm wearing a plain white t-shirt, I decided to put my cobalt blue heels with it. I think that a pop of color really helps your basics pop. So I think that adding that color with the white t-shirt really helps to make the outfit more stylish and just less like just plain. And if you are not a heel person, I also paired this with flip-flops. I am wearing my Tory Burch flip-flops, but you can literally wear any sandal you want. It doesn't have to be Tory Burch. So my last outfit is just some olive colored jeans and like a tank top, but it's more like a lacy type of tank top, and I paired this with a jean jacket. But if you don't want to do the jean jacket, you can also wear like a brown tan type of jacket like I did in the clip. Well, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked my how to make basics look more stylish video. Again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Simplykrystelle, and I will see you guys in my next video. And please also subscribe to my channel.